Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to wrap text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Wrapping text in Canva is a simple process that can improve both the design and readability of your project. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or the design that you are working. If you don't have yet, just click on the template section wherein you can use a business, social media, education, video, or marketing. Or you can start from scratch by clicking the create a design option. Now here, I'm going to add another page wherein I'm going to put in a text box. Okay, so now after that, I'm going to put in a random kind of information such as like this, maybe this one right here. So basically, wrapping is text is using the tool or slider in the left side or right side. You see, if you hover down the text, you're basically wrapping it. See that? And of course, you need to press enter. Now, the purpose of this one is, for example, I'm going to upload a photo here, or maybe like a video. Let's say this is going to be the video, right? So for you to be able to fit in the text here in a specific design, obviously you need to wrap it like this so they would pan out perfectly. You see that? And of course, from here, you can put in, maybe I'm going to make it white so it would stand out. I'm going to put in a background color. Maybe this. You see that? Of course, we can put in another effect. Maybe this. Like a black right now. Okay, so as you can see, we have already put in the text. Now, this is basically essential when designing for mobile or smaller screen, as it ensures that the text adjusts well to different screen sizes, preventing cut-off or hidden content. All right. Now, once you're happy with that, all I have to do is click on close. If you want to download this design, you might want to do so by clicking on the download option here. You can download as MP4, as JPEG or PNG, but if you want to share this to your team member, just click on the copy link right here. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.